Welcome to Jamaica. See, you have the beautiful. I just cut off a hand banana. I'm gonna cook some bananas with mackerel. You know, I'll cook this bananas with mackerel. But I have more bananas coming. I need to right now. I need to cut the yard. Me have more banana. All those parts with the purple. You see those spots up there with the purple, and that one there. Those are banana shoots coming out. And I have another one. I have multiple bananas. There's one here, right there. There's another one right there. There's another one right here. You can see it's multiple banana trees. One there. That banana is coming soon. I have another one right there. Right. I have another one right there. So. Right now we have the Jamaican nesberry tree up there. You know? This is where I live. Needs a little renovation, you know. Need some money to help set up this house. This is where I live right now. Really need some help. This is a nesberry tree. I really need some help with this house. I have a beautiful land. This is where I live. Alright. Really need the help. We got the plum tree here. And up here we got some coconut trees. As you can see, someone lit the fire there and damaged the coconut tree. But I really need some help with my